You. And as Patrick just mentioned, we are experiencing and expecting those potentially damaging wind gusts today that could cause some downed trees and down power lines, creating power outages.
And as a result, local officials have been busy preparing, and in just 3 hours, a travel advisory will be in effect in Erie County. Daybreak's Heather Lee is live in downtown Buffalo this morning with more on the preparations that are underway. Good morning, Heather.
Hi there, Pete and Melissa. Good morning. Starting at 10 o'clock this morning, in addition to that travel advisory, there's also going to be a ban on empty tractor trailers on several roads across western New York. That includes the Skyway, 219, 400, 290, also the 33 and I-86 in both Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties. The Thruway Authority is implementing a similar ban, also starting at 10 o'clock this morning. That's because these high wind gusts, along with those high-profile vehicles, sometimes empty vehicles, yeah, not a good combination on a day like today. Another concern today and tomorrow, of course, down trees and down power lines. This morning, National Grid has their own crews as well as contracted crews staged all across western New York so they can restore power, hopefully quickly as those outages occur. As we heard Patrick say just a moment ago, some of that wind will be coming out of the southeast, different than what we typically see, so that, of course, could cause some problems.
The ground is not frozen, the ground is soft. The roots and of the trees that are currently in the ground, not as firm as what you would like. And so when the wind does come through, you may see the trees move a little bit more, and then, depending upon, the condition of that tree, how strong the wind is in that area, that's when we could see trees that start to come down.
Now, National Grid says that don't assume that they know about your power outage. If you lose power, you should contact them. And of course, never touch any downed wires. Always assume that those are live and dangerous. Meantime, Nate Martin, who is the City of Buffalo DPW Commissioner, he says that his crews will be out assessing and monitoring any damage. He's asking residents, if you see any sort of debris, large debris in the road, downed trees or perhaps signs, you can contact 311. However, for downed wires, you should dial 911 to let them know about that. Also, Pete and Melissa, before folks head out for work this morning, it's a little calm right now. If you get a chance and you haven't done so already, bring in those empty garbage cans. Also, secure any maybe leftover Christmas decorations so Santa and the reindeer don't take flight later today. Back into you guys.
If you've been procrastinating putting those away, now is the time to do it.
Yeah,
Heather.
light a fire under it right now.
Right. Heather, thank you. And if you don't already have our Two on Your Side app, now is the perfect time to download it. Stay up to date with the latest wind gusts and weather forecasts, plus get weather alerts sent right to your phone. Just grab your phone and search WGRZ in Google Play or the App Store to download it for free.
6:04 now.